Hello, and thank you for joining this quick 10-minute webinar reviewing PMA's Workforce Development Solutions. I'm Stacy Schroeder, our Workforce Development Director. As you know, PMA supports more than 800 member companies, representing over 80,000 employees. Our three pillars are Network, Learn, and Lead. In this short video, we will do a high-level overview of all of PMA's Workforce Development Solutions. We currently offer an occupational aptitude and knowledge assessment through Metalform. This is a 4-part, 60-question test that assesses mechanical aptitude, spatial and mathematical reasoning, measurement, use of communication and information, and the understanding of basic industry knowledge and behaviors of job applicants for either entry-level training programs or job vacancies. That is purchased through our website just like all other licenses for Metalform. We also sell these tests in paper formats through our website. We sell the Metalworking Skills Assessment in English or Spanish. We plan to transition all of these assessments to Metalform, but likely late in 2019. We also offer many other programs, including Metalform, technical seminars, roundtables for functional areas, customized in-plant training, virtual learning series for MFG Next and for Workforce Matters, and our live Management Development Academy. Workforce development is critical. The manufacturing skills gap is real, and PMA has developed training solutions for that entire spectrum. Since Metalform is our newest program and is a game changer for our members, we'll spend some time digging into the program. It was launched in fall of 2018 with redesigned PMA exclusive content and a whole suite of courses designed to meet your company's needs from the shop floor to the front office to your leadership team. Training is critical. You want employees to have the knowledge, skills, and abilities to be safe, effective, and efficient from day one. Employees want to know you support them so they can be successful in their current role and continuously learn and grow for potential future roles. Whether it's training for new hires, ongoing training for compliance, upskilling in a particular area, or developing someone new for a new position, employees always need training and refreshers. Online training is a great supplement to all the other ways you grow and develop your employees. Online training can save time and money. It's available on demand versus having to schedule around a trainer or batch up employees to make that return on investment for live training. It ensures information is presented in a consistent manner to every employee, and it shows individual completions and assessment results versus having signatures on an attendance sheet but not 100% confidence that everyone paid attention and understood the content. All of our courses include the instructional content, a study guide, and a graded final assessment. Managers can assign employees one or more courses, and employee progress is always tracked and always available, including courses in progress, completed courses, and assessment scores. Online training is especially useful for orientation and onboarding, technical skill development, soft skill development, mandatory and compliance training, and also engagement and retention of all employees across all roles. Many of you likely purchased either the DVDs or VHS tapes of PMA's press brake operator training in the past. If you have, you'll know those training materials no longer reflect current technology and safety standards. PMA made a significant investment with a highly regarded instructional design firm to redesign all of our exclusive content to meet the needs of today's learner and to reflect current technologies and practices. Moving forward, PMA will be able to update its training materials as needed. Learners with active licenses will receive updates to any courses in their licenses as changes are made. Our technical director will continue to work with members and industry experts to determine new content areas to develop training. PMA partners with content providers to offer our members 550 plus skills-based courses in technical areas such as die setting, press operations, metal spinning, automation, safety, CNC machining, engineering drawing, shop math, tool making, welding, quality assurance, PLCs, and more. as well as soft skills such as conflict resolution, communication, personal finance, time management, team building, and more. Metalform EDU licenses are purchased by whoever your company designates as the HR or training manager. It can be a person in your office, a team leader, your HR representative, etc. As of April 1st, 2019, we simplified the license options based on customer feedback. We now have 3 purchasing options: a Metalforming only license, which includes our PMA exclusive content that cannot be found anywhere else, a Spanish Metalforming license, which includes all the PMA exclusive content except for the metal spinning and economics courses, and a full library license. Each license is for one person and is available in different time increments: 1, 3, 6, and 12 months. PMA members receive more options and better pricing. Another major workforce development solution that PMA provides is our technical seminars. These are led by industry experts and are held in convenient locations around the country. This includes some of the technical seminars and roundtables that we have for this year, 2019. We also have additional events as noted on this slide. If your company requires customized training, PMA offers in-plant training solutions with content tailored to your unique needs. This program enables you to train multiple employees consistently and cost-effectively right at your facility. Your company can also take advantage of follow-up consultations with the instructor to assure successful implementation. If you're interested in addressing your company's most critical needs through interactive class discussions and team problem solving, please visit our website for more information. The MFG Next Virtual Learning Series is designed for emerging leaders and rising stars at your company. The series is designed to help them build their leadership competencies and skills. The Workforce Matters Virtual Learning Series includes sessions on developing a training program, finding top talent, interviewing for a good fit, building your own talent pipeline, performance management, and building the culture and practices that lead to employee engagement and retention. Every other month in the series, we will focus on an aspect of Metalform EDU or other PMA workforce development initiatives. We also offer bi-weekly Metalform EDU Q&A webinars, and we continue to evaluate new webinars to provide services to our members throughout the year. The Management Development Academy is an interactive 3-part series of customized workshops designed to grow your business and leadership acumen to prepare for success in current and future roles. Each session kicks off the first evening with an engaging opening orientation and activity, followed by a networking social and dinner. On day 2, they learn insightful up-to-date tools, techniques, and practices from 2 experts, each followed by a facilitated debrief. Day 2 closes with a social dinner that allows plenty of time to kindle connections with the presenters, facilitators, and their peers. Day 3 starts with a 3rd expert sharing best practices and insights, followed by a facilitated debrief and wrap-up before they head home that afternoon, energized, excited, and ready to practice their new skills. Each cohort is limited to 25 participants, so they can develop an intimate, long-lasting network of peers and colleagues that they can rely on as they grow their careers and lead their business. This program is designed exclusively for department supervisors, team leaders, and mid-level managers looking to advance their business and leadership acumen. Graduates of the MDA are ready to inspire and lead their team and organization. Thank you for your attention as we gave a brief overview of PMA's workforce development solutions. Please feel free to reach out to anyone on our membership or training team for more information, or visit our website.